Hi, I'm Lizzi Larbalestier from Going Coastal Blue, and I'm delighted to once again be speaking at the NLP International Conference. My workshop is called Modelling Planet Advocacy, and during this session we'll be exploring a number of areas. As NLP professionals, we have a huge responsibility when it comes to facilitating wise decision-making and whether we include the environment within that. Eco-attention deficit is an area worthy of our conscious attention. Asking questions such as how and when and where does nature connectedness move into and out of our conscious awareness, and how does this influence our practice? We'll be discussing activism and advocacy and asking what are their roles when it comes to leadership. And we'll be exploring the circular economy and the linear economy, extracting the wisdom that the circular economy has to offer us when it comes to designing products and services. So what will you gain from this session, I wonder? Well, the aim is to elevate your eco-literacy. I'm interested to know how you relate to topics such as tackling climate change, massive goals such as maintaining biodiversity. We know that chunking down is simply not enough. More and more data is not going to motivate us to maintain action towards protecting our planet. So exploring together how we can motivate ourselves to change our relationship with fossil fuels, for instance, is something worthy of all our attention. The aim is for you to have some translatable insights for a range of contexts, both social and professional. And I'd like for you to leave motivated to apply your NLP skills in a planet advocate way. I look forward to seeing you at the NLP International Conference, and I look forward to you joining me for these discussions and activities.